Good morning, children. Now in today's session, I am going to take English for 5th standard. That is Unit 3, Prose, the Guardians of the Nations. That is, guardians, that is to protect the country. Nation means nothing, our country. Who protect our country? That is guardians of the nation. Now, Anandan and Yarini came home from school. So, who are those two children? Anandan and Yarini. So, they both came from school. Anandan and Yarini. From where they came? They came from the school. After washing their face, hands and legs, they sat down next to their father. So what did they do? They washed their hands, face, everything. And what did they do? They went and sat near their father. Their father was watching the news on the television. So what he was watching? He was watching the news in the TV. Television is nothing but the TV. There were 2 bowls of chickpea sundal. So they had 2 bowls with 2 bowls on the rendu edu irukku kinnon solraniya. 2 bowls of sundals that they ate and watched a ceremony. Ceremony is nothing but the event that is celebrated. Okay. So a ceremony is what, children? That is celebration, we say, ceremony. And where people were paying respect to the helmet on top of a gun. That is the soldiers. Okay. They were paying respect. Dad, what is this place? What are they doing? Asked Anandan. So dad replied. So what did the dad say? This is Amar Jawan Jyoti. What is that? Amar Jawan Jyoti. Amar Jawan Jyoti. What is this, children? Amar Jawan Jyoti. That is a memorial. A memorial means that is a remembrance. Okay, remember the place is a memorial is called the remembrance. So for the soldiers, so that is to remind a people. So memorial is nothing but a remembrance of a people for the soldiers who died for our country. That is a remembrance of a veerargal and soldiers. So they are for the soldiers who died for our country. So every year, 7th December is observed as Armed Forces Flag Day. That is 7th December, Armed Forces Flag Day. Okay, Armed Forces Flag Day. So, it's observed as Armed Forces Flag Day. On that day, we remember the sacrifice. Sacrifice means Tyagam Soraliya. We remember the sacrifice of our soldiers for guarding our nation. So on that day, we remember all the soldiers who sacrificed their lives for our nation. It's a great honor. Great honor means a great respect. Maryadan Soraliya. It's a great honor to serve the nation. Serve na seva seiroliya, to serve the nation by joining the army. So if you join the army, so it's nothing, you are serving to your nation. Then Yarini proudly declared, she said, when I grow up, I will join the army and serve the nation. So what did she say? When I grow up, what did she say? That I'll join in the army and serve the nation. Anandan said, I will become a doctor and treat the people. What Anandan said? That he will become a doctor and he will treat the people. The doctor people serve pannu. So Yarini asked, why didn't you join the army and serve the nation like me? So what did she ask? So why you are becoming a doctor? You can join the army like me, she is asking. Father intervened and said, so and said, joining the army is not the only way to serve the nation. Adavadhu nation ku nama seva seirundha joining the army mattu illa, nama vera vidathiliyum nama enna pannalam, nation serve pannalam, seva seiyala appdinu. Each one of us can serve the nation in your own way. So nama vadiyila nama endha idu vadiyila venalum nation serve pannalam appdinu. Yarini asked, really dad, how can we serve the nation? Father said, serving in the army is a grace. Okay, that is good, or it's a varavun solraliya, it's a grace, but not everyone gets a chance to serve. Ellaraliyum soldiers aida mudiyadhu illaya. So not everyone gets a chance to serve the nation, but each one of us has a role in our society, and by doing that role we are serving our nation. So each one has a role, so they are doing it by serving their nation. Father continued, I will tell you the story of Karmugilan. So whose story is telling? Karmugilan. It's a story of Karmugilan. He was a doctor. He died serving the people. So he was a doctor and he was serving the people. By serving the people itself, he died. He was young and talented. Talented na theraman solrena, romba theramasali andare, and young also. He went to the USA for studying. So where did he went? He went to USA for studying doctorate. Then his parents were very proud of him and they thought that he would live in the USA and continue his practice. So in USA liye irundhu ange avar vandu doctorate practice பண்ணுவாருன்னு சொல்லிட்டு அவங்க parents நினைச்சிட்டு இருந்தாங்க. But to everyone's surprise, he came back to India and started treating poor people free of cost. ஸோ ஒரு சர்ப்ரைஸ் என்ன ஆச்சு, அவர் இந்தியாவுக்கே அவரோட நேஷனுக்கே வந்து அவர் என்ன பண்ணார், பீப்புளை வந்து ஃப்ரீ ஆஃப் காஸ்ட்டாக வந்து ட்ரீட் பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தார். தட் இஸ் ஃப்ரீ ஆஃப் காஸ்ட்னா பணம் இல்லாமல் அவர் வந்து என்ன பண்ணார், ட்ரீட் பண்ணார். தென் Yalini asked, were his parents not angry with him? Dad said they were angry, but they knew he was happy. So parents were என்ன சொன்னாங்க, what Yalini asked is, why the parents were angry, அவங்க கோவமா இல்லையா அவனோட பையன் மேலே, அவன் வந்து இந்த மாதிரி ஃப்ரீயாக வந்து சேவை செஞ்சுட்ருக்காரு. பட் they said parents were angry, பட் இருந்தாலும் அவரோட அந்த சந்தோஷம் வந்து அவருக்கு இருந்துச்சு இல்லையா. ஸோ நம்ம ஃப்ரீ ஆஃப் காஸ்ட் செய்யணுன்ட்டு அவருக்கு ஒரு சந்தோஷம் இருந்தது. ஸோ அவரோட சந்தோஷம் பார்த்தா அவரும் வந்து சந்தோஷமாக இருந்தாங்க. Then one day dengue broke out. Dengue is nothing but it's a fever that is spread by the animals or the insects. A fever, okay. Dengue broke out in the nearby villages. So பக்கத்து இருக்க villages என்னாச்சு, dengue came. He left to those villages to treat the people. So where did he go? He went to those villages to treat the people free of cost. So without the money he went to treat that people in the nearby villages. He saved the lives of many. ரொம்ப நிறைய பேர் அவர் வந்து காப்பாற்றினார் இந்த ஃபீவர்லேருந்து. ஸோ he savedனா காப்பாற்றுறது, the lives of the many. He was soon well known in the village. ஸோ அவர் வந்து சேவ் பண்ணோன்னே, இந்த மாதிரி ட்ரீட் பண்ணோன்னே அவர் வந்து ரொம்ப பாப்புலர், ரொம்ப ஃபேமஸ் ஆகிட்டார் அந்த வில்லேஜில். ஸோ எல்லாருமே வந்து அவர் தெரிஞ்சிச்சு. அண்ட் பீப்புள் poured in to get treated. ஸோ எல்லாருமே நிறைய பேர் வந்து ட்ரீட்மெண்ட் எடுத்துக்கிட்டாங்க. பட் ஒன் டே he got infected by the disease. ஸோ அட் லாஸ்ட் என்ன ஆச்சு, அவருக்கு ஒரு நாள் இதே டிசீஸ் வந்து இன்ஃபெக்ட் ஆச்சு அவருக்கு, புரிஞ்சுதா. And was taken to the city hospital. So where did he went? He went to the, was taken to the city hospital. So அவருக்கும் இதே மாதிரி டிசீஸ் இன்ஃபெக்ட் ஆனதுனால அவர் எங்கே கூப்பிட்டு போனாங்க, to the city hospital. He was in a critical condition. கிரிட்டிக்கல்னா ரொம்ப மோசமான கண்டிஷனில் அவர் இருந்தார், ரொம்ப பிழைக்காத நிலைமையில் அவர் இருந்தார். His parents were upset and worried. அவங்க பேரண்ட்ஸ் வந்து அவங்க ரொம்ப கஷ்டப்பட்டாங்க, ரொம்ப they were very worried. Then he told his parents that he had done his duty டு த கண்ட்ரி. அதாவது என்னோடய டியூட்டியை வந்து நான் வந்து என்னோடய நேஷனுக்கு நான் சர்வ் பண்ணியிருக்கேன், சேவை கொடுத்துருக்கேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி. அண்ட் வாஸ் ஹாப்பி. ஸோ ஹி வாஸ் வெரி ஹாப்பி பை சர்விங் த நேஷன். இன் அ கப்பல் ஆஃப் டேஸ் ஹி டைட். ஸோ கொஞ்சம் நாளைக்கு அப்புறம் அவர் இறந்துட்டார். தட் இஸ் கார்முகிலன் who was treating the people free of cost and he got the same disease and he died after little days. Then in his memory the people of the village, ஸோ அவரோட ஞாபகார்த்தமா, மெமரி மீன்ஸ் ஞாபகார்த்தமா, the people of the village have built a hospital. ஸோ அவரோட ஞாபகார்த்தமாக என்ன கட்டினாங்க, அவரோட பேரில் ஒரு ஹாஸ்பிட்டல் கட்டினாங்க. அண்ட் ட்ரீட்டட் பீப்புள் அட் ஃப்ரீ ஆஃப் காஸ்ட். அதாவது அங்கே வந்து ஒரு ஹாஸ்பிட்டலை கட்டி அவங்க என்ன பண்ணாங்க, அங்கே வந்து ட்ரீட்மெண்ட் வர்றவங்களெல்லாம் they were seeing as a free of cost. அதாவது பணம் இல்லாமல் அவங்கள ட்ரீட் பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தாங்க. Then that's really great dad is a real hero, said Yalini. So it's a great dad. அவர் தான் ஒரு ரியல் ஹீரோ அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு அவங்க அப்ரிஷியேட் பண்ணாங்க. Then father replied, each one of us should love and respect our country. That is each and everyone. love and respect னா that நேசித்து மதிக்க வேண்டும் உங்களுடைய நேஷன், உங்களோட கண்ட்ரியை, புரியுதா. each one of us should love and respect our country. Then we should treat everyone around us with love and respect. ஸோ நம்ம எல்லாரையும் பண்ணணும், அதே மாதிரி நம்ம சுற்றி இருக்கிறவங்களையும் அவங்கள அன்பையும் மதிக்கவும் செய்யணும் அவங்கள, புரியுதா. தட்ஸ் அ ரியல் சர்வீஸ் டு த நேஷன். அதாவது நாட்டுக்கு நம்ம செய்யும் சேவையாகும், புரியுதா. தட்ஸ் அ ரியல் சர்வீஸ் டு த நேஷன். அதாவது நம்ம நாட்டுக்கு என்ன செய்கிறோம், சேவை செய்கிறோம். இட்ஸ் அ ரியல் சர்விங் டு த நேஷன். ஸோ do you understand children the story of Karmugilan? So this is the story. It's the guardians of the nation. And see page number 128 children, they have given Amar Jawan Jyoti, that is an Indian memorial constructed after the Indo-Pakistan War of 1971. Constructed na katnadu, எப்போ கட்டினாங்க, India Pakistan war நடந்துச்சு இல்லையா, war means போர், of 1971. After that they constructed an Indian memorial, that is Amar Jawan Jyoti. The next they have given battle. Battle means what, war, the battle, war and all of the same only, that is போர் ன்னு சொல்றோம் இல்லையா. A fight between armies or groups of people. So battle means a fight. Fightna enna sanda podradhu illaya, fight between armies or groups of people. Then weapon means what, ஆயுதம் சொல்றோம். That is an object that is used for fighting or attacking. So அந்த weapon எதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்றாங்க, for fighting or attacking they are using the weapon means what, ஆயுதம் சொல்றோம் இல்லையா. Then Mahavir Chakra, that is the second highest military reward in India. That is military means ராணுவம் சொல்றோம் இல்லையா, reward is விருது, that is ராணுவ விருது we are saying. That is a second highest military reward in India, that is Mahavir Chakra. Then soldier, who is a soldier, a person who serves in an army. அந்த ஆர்மிக்கு சேவை செய்கிறவங்கள தான் சோல்ஜர்னு சொல்கிறோம் இல்லையா. So what is Amar Jawan Jyoti children? An Indian memorial constructed after the Indo-Pakistan war, that is in 1971. Then battle, that's a fight between armies or a group of people. Then weapon, an object that is used for fighting or attacking. Then Mahavir Chakra, the second highest military reward in India. Then soldier, a person who serves in an army. So next we will see the choose a correct answer, children. So they have given Carmugilan went to dash for higher studies. So we will see that now. That's a choose page number 131, children. Carmugilan went to dash for higher studies. So what's 4 options given? London, Australia, USA and New Zealand. So where did he go for higher studies for doctorate, children? USA. So he went to USA. USA is nothing but America, United States of America. USA is what? United States of America. Then dash broke out in the nearby villages. 4 options: malaria, cholera, dengue and flu. So what fever they got in the nearby villages, children? That is dengue. Dengue fever. Then next is he got dash the disease. A, infected by, B, cured of, C, upset, D, remedy for. So he got infected by the disease. So what is the answer? Infected by the disease. Okay, children. Next, the villagers built a dash on his memory. So what did they build? Statue, memorial, library and hospital. So what did they build? The hospital. So hospital is the correct answer. Okay, children. So next, fill in the blanks I have asked. They ate a bowl of dash. So what did they eat? They ate chickpeas sundal. Chickpea sundal. So what did they eat? Chickpea sundal. Okay, children. The next, dash is a memorial for the soldiers. So what the name I said, the memorial name? Amar Jawan Jyoti. Amar Jawan Jyoti is a memorial place. Okay. So next is the Flag Day is observed on the dash. So when it is observed, the Flag Day? 7 December. 7 December. Okay. Then next, a dash dies for the nation. So who dies for the nation, children? Who serves for the nation? Soldier. So a soldier serves for the nation. Then dash was a young talented doctor. So what was the doctor's name? Yes, Carmugilan. So Carmugilan was a young doctor. Okay, children. So these are the fill-ups. Then then see the meanings, children. Meanings I have given. Finish writing this, children. That is choose and fill in the blanks. Then we'll go to the meanings. Okay. So meanings, that is page number 130, children. So what is the first one? That is honor. Honor means what? Great respect. Honor. So it's Maryadai we say, no? Great respect. Honor means what? Great respect. Okay, children. So the next one is serving. Serving. That is working for a specific group or a person. Or we can say working for a person. Okay, children. So the next is ceremony. Ceremony means what I said. You can say event or any celebration also, right? That is a formal event to celebrate an anniversary. That is celebration. Celebrate an anniversary. Celebrate an anniversary. Okay, or any event you can say. The next is a memorial. That is remembrance of a people. Structure established to remind of a people. What is memorial? Structure established to remind of a people. Okay. To remind of a people or any event you can say. Then intervent. Intervent means interrupt. It is nadula nama stop panni pesrom illaya. That is called as a intervent or interrupt. Okay, children. The next is the sacrifice. What is sacrifice? Giving up something more valuable. Sacrifice. Tyagam solron liya. So sacrifice is nothing but giving up something. Giving up something more valuable. Okay, children, giving up something more valuable. Then infected, that is contaminated. Infected, contaminated with harmful things. Okay, with harmful. Contaminated with harmful things. Then what is given last year? Guarding, that is to protect or control. Okay, guarding is nothing but to protect or control. Okay, children. So this is the meanings for here. That is, what is honor given here? It's a great respect. Then serving, working for a group or for a person. Then ceremony, that is celebrate an anniversary. Ceremony is nothing but celebrating an anniversary. Okay, that or any event we can say. That is memorial, structure established to the remembrance of a people, to the remind of a people. Then intervent, that is interrupt. Nadula nama stop பண்றோம் இல்லையா, பேசிட்டு இருக்கும்போது நம்ம நடுவில் ஸ்டாப் பண்றோம். That is called as a interrupt. Okay, interruption. Then sacrifice, giving up something more valuable. So உங்களுக்கு எது வேல்யூபிளாக இருக்கோ அது வந்து நம்ம கொடுக்குறோம், அது நம்ம கொடுக்குறோம் இல்லையா, அப்போ நமக்கு அது என்ன பண்ணுறோம், அது நம்ம தியாகம் செய்கிறோம் இல்லையா, that is called as a sacrifice. Then infected, contaminated with harmful things. Then guarding, to protect or to control. So these are the meanings, children, and choose also I have given, fill in the blanks is also there. So I think you have understood this lesson, that is Guardians of the Nation. So in the next class we will see with the other lesson, children. Thank you.